Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm doing a Sunday evening shave. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. I just got out of the shower and I always notice this shirt, and I don't know if it's the light or the way it was made. I don't know. There's a... Anyway. Squirrel! Today's shave is going to be a fall-inspired scent. And it is going to be Briar by PAA. And last year, this scent did not come out, but this year it came back. And this scent is from probably a few years before that. Now, immediately my nose picks up some of the rose scent, but if you want to know what the scent profile is, it is tobacco, oak wood, vanilla, musk, rose, and dried leaves. And I do have the matching splash, but for me, after the rose kind of dissipates, I definitely get the, I already have it whipped up here, some of the oak wood and tobacco scent along with the vanilla, and it is really a pleasurable scent. Oh yeah, here's what it looks like lathered up in the Captain's Choice copper bowl. I am using my Trotter's Handcraft brush. This is the original brush that I purchased on a whim, and that was whenever BBS, is that right? Yeah, BBS Live was doing a deal, and they had talked about the Trotter's brush, and I was going to look at it after the live video, and I decided I'm just going to break away from the live and go over and check out the Etsy shop. At the time is where he was selling those, and I picked that brush up. So, and I'm also using my post-shave gel. Today's razor is going to be the Homelike shaving Elbrus, and I already have that loaded up, and that is a beautiful stainless steel matte finish adjustable twist. Look at that. I have it on setting 6. I'm also using the Gillette 7 o'clock yellow blades. And is there anything else I'm forgetting? Nope. So let's go ahead and get lathered up for the shave. So if it wasn't for BBS Live, I would have never bought this brush, but they were talking about it. They had one and they were all hyped up about it. And after I got the brush, now luckily I went away from the show, because after the show, at some point, all the brushes that he had were already sold out. And I just thought that, let's look at the lather here while I'm talking. I ran this a little bit drier than normal, but I used 1/4 teaspoon of soap and 13 milliliters of water. And sometimes the soaps vary a little bit, so you can't just hold me to that particular measurement. But back to the brush, I really liked that it kind of had that fiery tobacco look to it, and that's what made me decide I wanted that particular brush. And I am glad that I bought it, because it has led me down the road of collecting those brushes. And every brush that I have had has been excellent. And wow, this razor does an excellent job. I have tried many blades in it, and I have just been very impressed with it. And I use this a lot in between videos, but there for a while I felt like every shave I was doing on a video was with this. So I had to give it a little bit of a break because I didn't want to bore you guys with the same razor over and over. I haven't really seen anybody, any new videos out there on YouTube with this razor, or even in some of the shave groups. I haven't really seen it. So I'm not sure if they have figured out a way to get people to be able to get this razor in the United States or not. But if you can get your hands on one, wow. The name of this could be the game changer, because it really just makes my shave come to life, almost like a game changer. And I've had zero irritation with it. There was only one time I was shaving and I had it on wide open and I was just getting a little crazy with it. And like right here, I had got myself, because right in the middle, that blade, you know, it was just, I had it on wide open, and whenever it touched, the middle part of the blade actually touched before the safety bar, and that's my fault. I was just having too much fun. Speaking of fun, the weather here is dropping down into the 60s throughout the day, which is nice. But at nighttime, like last night, it had dropped down to 42 degrees Fahrenheit, which is a little on the chilly side for me. So some of my fun is going to be slowing down a little bit. I'll say that. What an excellent close shave. It just feels so great. And then on top of it, the PAA soap is very nice. I am a little disappointed that the CK1 is no longer available. I feel like I like that base just a little bit more. But, you know, it's one of those things when you're in business, it just kind of is, if you're going to have two soap bases offered with the same scent, I could see where that would be a little taxing to have doubles of everything. And it just could be something in my mind to where I feel like maybe I was just a little bit more comfortable with that particular soap base because I had used it so much more. All right, I'm going to get cleaned up with some cold water, and I'll be right back. Wow, the old Lancaster black sheep towel. That was a very good investment that I made as well. Just works fine for me. Can you guys see that line? Is it just me? I don't know. It bugs me. So I was doing a little digging around in my collection of things, and this set was actually stuck behind some other sets, and it has the original glass restrictor. And you're supposed to hold your finger over it, hold it upside down, and then you get a perfect amount every time. And I miss those restrictors. But there were enough people that did not like the restrictor. And so now, oh, that's a pleasant scent. My wife likes this scent as well. So if you have a wife or girlfriend and she doesn't like some of your other scents, I bet you she would like this. This would be a good actually, I wouldn't really say it's a fall scent. I mean, a lot of the nice scents to me are ones that can be used all year round. I think this one falls into that category. So I've still been kind of slowly going through some of my shave gear and trying to reduce that down a little bit. And I have some stuff that I need to post. And I just haven't done it because I've kind of been a little bit lazy. It's just kind of, to me, posting it and, you know, all that is just a little bit time consuming. I've got plenty of time on my hands right now, but I just don't have the motivation to post it for some reason. Well, anyway, that's my shave. Thanks for sticking with me, guys, on the video. I really appreciate it. And I will see you guys on the next shave video. You have a great rest of your weekend.